YCA volunteers have helped YCG over the past 20 years to accomplish quite a few of our goals, mainly in the areas of education and health. YCA volunteers have worked with us to inform community members about how to prevent the spread of HIV in their communities in places where education was non-existent for HIV and AIDS. YCA volunteers have helped to improve the literacy among young Guyanese. Guyana itself has a problem with literacy, and volunteers from YCA have come here and helped in schools and communities where there's a shortage of teachers to support literacy in communities. And that's been the most significant input that YCA volunteers have been able to make over the last 20 years with YCG.
So I had the benefit of experiencing the International Field Project in 2008. I was in Region 10 in Rockstone, Guyana. I met a lot of amazing people in the community, as well as the people who I worked with on the project from Canada, Australia, and at home here in Guyana. But there's this particular one girl that I really connected with. She's really a really beautiful person, if I can say so. Rachel Dawson from Australia. On project itself, she connected with the children. The children loved her so much. They always came shouting her name, calling for her. She could be seen hugging several children, trying to hug her at once in the community at any spot or any point in time in the community. In 2011, she came back for 6 months, and she did additional volunteer work with her in school youth program at Youth Challenge.
YCA volunteers should come to Guyana because there is a need for the skills and expertise that comes from Australia. The volunteers come with an energy that helps to support communities and helps to motivate communities to be able to support themselves. The volunteers also bring a vast degree of knowledge that does not exist here to support the work that Youth Challenge Guyana does. And Guyana is a beautiful country where we would like people from Australia to come and get to know it better.